Hello everyone, today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Nokia 105 2024 and Nokia 105 2023. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Nokia 105 2024 comes with 2 inches TFT LCD display and the Nokia 105 2023 comes with 1.8 inches TFT LCD display. Hardware features. Let's compare the battery features. Both two phones come with 1000 mAh battery. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.